各位同學大家好，呢節我哋會睇下 concentrated sulfuric acid 作為一個 drying agent 嘅話呢，佢係可以點樣運作嘅。咁由於呢 concentrated sulfuric acid 係一隻嘅 liquid 啦，咁所以呢一般嚟講呢，我哋如果想利用佢作為一個乾燥劑 drying agent 去整乾一啲嘢呢，我哋需要呢係利用一個嘅 conical flask 啦。又或者咧係一個嘅 U-tube， 咁而利用兩支管去將嗰個 gas 咧泵入去，又或者咧係排出。咁而呢兩支管嗰個長度咧，大家要留意啦。入嗰個嘅 gas 咧，嗰支管咧就要長啲嘅。長度咧係要落到去 concentrated sulfuric acid 嗰個位置，否則咧就做唔到 drying 嗰個效果啦。咁入嘅時候咧係一隻 wet gas 啦。咁調翻轉出嚟嘅時候咧，我哋要係離開嗰個嘅con acid 嘅水平面，咁所以咧就出嘅時候咧就會係一隻 dry gas 啦。咁用 U-tube 都 OK 嘅。咁個道理都係差唔多。咁而 concentrated sulfuric acid 由於佢係一隻 oxidizing agent 啦，同埋佢本身係acidic嘅，係一隻 acid 嚟嘅，所以咧我哋如果要去吸人哋嘅水咧，佢一定要用喺一啲 gas， 而呢啲 gas 咧要係 neutral 或者本身係acidic。又或者咧，呢啲 gas 咧一定要係 non-reducing 嘅，咁否則咧就唔 work 啦。譬如舉個例啦 ，neutral 嘅 gas 咧好多時候，譬如 hydrogen 啦、oxygen 啦等等。acidic 咧就譬如 sulfur dioxide、carbon dioxide 呢啲都 OK 嘅。non-reducing 咧就係一啲唔會係oxidizing agent 嘅東西啦。咁譬如咧就係 HCl 啊，咁呢啲都可以 OK 嘅。咁大家留意下呢個 drying agent 嗰個應用啦。拜拜。